China's Mars spacecraft has discovered polygonal structures beneath the red planet's surface. The Zhurong spacecraft's subsurface-penetrating radar device revealed patterns at a depth of about 10 meters. It is stated that these structures are probably composed of ice. These could offer important clues to Mars' long-lost water. The craft's high-tech radar scanned the vast plain of Utopia Planitia in the planet's northern hemisphere to detect what was happening below. In the research article published in the peer-reviewed scientific journal Nature Astronomy, it was stated that there were 16 polygonal shapes in total. Researchers cannot yet say for sure how polygons are formed. However, it is estimated that these may have emerged as a result of freeze-thaw cycles, such as those that occur in winter and spring on Earth. The article also stated that polygons were formed during the late Hesperian and early Amazonian periods in Martian history. This period corresponds to approximately 3.7 to 2.9 billion years ago. Previous research from Zhurong's radar data showed that multiple floods during the same time period created several layers beneath Utopia Planitia's surface. He states that the most likely formation mechanisms are that soil shrinkage from drying wet sediments would form mud cracks, while shrinkage from cooling lavas may also have caused thermal contraction cracking. In both cases, they note that a major change in Mars' climate was responsible for the formation of the polygon. The subsurface structure, together with the covering materials covering the buried paleo-polygonal terrain, indicates that a significant paleoclimatic transformation occurred sometime thereafter, the researchers wrote. This means that there were water bodies in the region during that period. Zhurong's previous discoveries had shown that Mars used to be home to abundant bodies of water. It was claimed that these masses survived until 400,000 years ago. The contrast above and below a depth of about 35 meters represented a remarkable transformation in water activity, or thermal conditions, in ancient Martian time. This implied climatic turmoil in the low mid-latitudes. Zhurong, named after the god of fire and war in Chinese mythology, landed on Mars' Utopia Planitia plain on May 15, 2021. The spacecraft, which had a 3-month mission, examined the planet's surface soil and atmosphere. The vehicle, which has been hibernating recently, is unable to move due to the dust covering the solar panels.